Only 2 tokens now. Don't pass by, give it a try.
That is what they all say when they see me pouring some wine. Oh, think it's empty again. Better fill it up before I go. Cause I'm loving it, feeling it, touch me and being it. See what I see in it, I'm typical. Messing around with it, mix it up, go with it, fuck with it, flow with it, let it all go. Oh Lord, think you know what I'm like, but you don't fall, you lose control. Bittersweet melody when I dance on your floor. Cause I know, but you don't. It is me you adore. How does it feel to breathe when you're dead? They never seen you out of your bed. Cut to the bone, it's broken, I bet. How sad. Oh boy, got so hot I forgot what I should have thought of before. Sure ain't easy for you to let go of the rules, cause there's so much fun. Are you loving the feeling it? Touch me, are you in it? Don't say what you're seeing, but typical. Messing around with it, mix it up, go with it, fuck with it, flow with it, please let it go. Oh no, think I did it again. I said a few things that I shouldn't have done. Well, bittersweet melody when I dance on your floor. Cause I know, but you don't. It is me you adore. How does it feel to breathe when you're dead? They never seen you out of your bed. Cut to the bone, it's broken, I bet. How sad. How does it feel to breathe when you're dead? They never seen you out of your bed. Cut to the bone, it's broken, I bet.
Only 2 tokens now. Don't pass by, give it a try.
Welcome back to another Deanos Adventures, and this time we travel up the road. We're in Ross-On-Wye, and we've been told there's another Danters fair, and here we are. We're at James Danter Sons fair, and to be honest, it looks familiar because we were at this fair not so long ago. Well, I'm sure it was under the name of Edward Danter and Sons at that point, but even so, we got ourselves a nice little lineup. Kmg Freak Out. They said they haven't put the dodgems in because they haven't got room. They got a bit of trouble with being in a confined space here, so we're keeping everything at social distancing, so the dodgems ain't here. So we've had to have a temperature taken before we come in. We've left our contact details. We've sanitised. So it's a nice little operation. You've got sanitizer by all the rides. The big wheel, or the Ferris wheel in this case that it's called. That's it, guys, jump in the pink, the yellow, pink and green 6 please, yellow, pink and green. As you can see. The pink one next to it and the yellow one. All the rides treated with Deanos. Great set of waltzers. All the nice little kiddie rides in the middle. Hook a duck over there. So there's still plenty here though. then we got the Danters Orbiter. So we got a nice little ride lineup. So what a nice little surprise. Didn't know this one was here. So let's get riding.
Anyway, we have to ride Extremes. This is Extreme. Yeah, right, we've got our riders. Hold on, here we go. Maybe. Yes, here we go. Sit back, relax. We're going to take you to the max.
Sweet dreams are made of these.
Here we go. Orbiter style, Extreme Orbiter. Wicked machine, this one. This one does angles like other Orbiters don't do. You'll see what I mean in a minute. This is awesome. Woo! Woohoo!
Yes, see the flare from the air, obviously the hands up in the air if you dare.
Woo! It's kind of got a pitch that takes you a little bit higher than the others.
Here we go.
Whoa! Woo! Whoa! Round in the restraints! Whoa! Awesome! Woo! You go round these rides and you think that all orbiters, they're the same. And this is one that's quite different to the rest.
So,
it's amazing.
Do you want to go faster?
Yay!
No, come on, let's hear it. I said, do you want to go faster?
Of course we do!
Yes,
Yay!
hands up in the air if you dare. Hands up in the air.
Hands up, let's
Now,
go!
come on, I'm not going fast, so everybody has their hands up.
Woo! I've got a camera in the
Here
other
we
one.
go, hold tight.
Here we go then. Woo! Let's begin.
This is Extreme.
Whoa! Woo! There go the feet. Woo!
Yeah, hands up high, reach the sky.
Another powerful Orbitor. Extreme Orbitor. Woo!
Yeah, safe and sound and back on the ground, ready for the next one.
Awesome ride, on to the next one.
Yeah, when the bar's open, please exit to the right hand side of the ride.
Here we go, Danters Waltzers. Really looking forward to this. These are ace. The light shades look really good on these. Good spin. Here we go then. Going in it. find that place where I can sit where we've got the happy medium. Right, here we go. Right, hey. Woo. Oh. Woo. You need to come back to the middle. Yeah, I know. Woo! Right. Woo! Right, this way. Right, we're in the other way. Go. That way. Up, up, up. Top of the bank, here we go! Woo! There we got it! Whoa! Now it's going! Woo! Keep going! Whoa! Oh dear, he's lying down. That's intense. I can't see anything. Oh my god! That's insane! That is awesome! Well, last time was good. That time was even better. That was amazing. Oh, I got the sweats again. On to the next one. Freak out time.
Oh, Mark, you're bad. I nearly lost that.
Pull up.
Looks like we got a good camera moment coming up. Here we go. Up to the top. It's alright. Yeah. Woo! With a dive. Woo! Whoa! Spin it round. Here we go. Woo! Hey! Alright, we go again. Awesome. Good. Oh, good cycle. There, down we come. Hey.
Hey boss, my bad if I get caught.
Right, on to the next one. Miami Fever time, let's go!
Yeah, we're gonna shake it to the left.
Whoa! Here we go!
To back, get ready to hold time. Here we go.
Whoa! Woo! Forgot to be camera in the wrong hands to do that angle. Woo! Got the air time. Woo! Left to right.
Hey, 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 let's go.
Hey!
Everybody put your hands in the air and let's say yeah. Come on, put them
Yay!
up to the sky. Riders.
Woo! Round we go. Woo!
You want some more?
We want some more!
I said you want some more?
We want
One more
more!
time, let's blow your mind. Here we go.
Woo!
Miami.
Whoa! Woo! Awesome air time! Woo! I'm sure my woohoos are getting more high pitched, you know. I didn't used to be able to reach pitches like this.
Boy, that was nuts!
Awesome ride. Miami Fever, on to the next one. Right then, this is the last ride of the session. This is Danters Waltzers. Now you've been watching the vlog, you've just seen how awesome that last cycle was. They've had brand new wheels fitted, so this thing runs like off a shovel. So let's get riding, let's get leaning, let's go. Here we go. Whoa. Here we go. Oh. Get down in the seat. Oh. Oh. Here we go. Go in the other way. I'm not ready. That is awesome. That is so intense. Oh, madness, madness. Oh. I don't know where I am. Let's go back to the street. Oh, amazing. Anywhere I can say. Right away. Can't change my position. Here we go. Top of the back. Go. Oh. Woo-hoo. Right, that's our last ride, so we'll see you in a moment when we wrap everything up. So that pretty much wraps it up here at James Danter Sons Fair. You know what, we only come here by accident, we didn't know it was here. So this has been a proper little treat. It has been a nice little treat to add on to our day. 4 fun fairs we've done this weekend. That's hardcore. And those Waltzers, they've had the new wheels fitted. I don't know if it's new wheels, but they were awesome. That's the only way I can describe it. So, James Danter Fun Fair. Sorry, James Danter and Sons Fun Fair. This is amazing place. Plenty of room to social distance. Sanitizer all over the place. The rides have all been sprayed with Zuno, so it's all brilliant. So check these guys out, they really are worth it. So until our next journey, everyone, I don't know where we're going next week at the moment. So until our next adventure, see you soon. Take care. Bye bye bye.
Oh no, that is what they all say when they see me. Oh my God. Then it's empty again. Let it fill in out before I go. Cause I'm up in the feeling, it gives me a beam. You see what I'm saying, you can typical. Messing around with it, mix it up, go with it, fuck with it, fuck with it, let it all go. Lord, think you know what I'm at, but you don't fall, you lose control. Bittersweet melody when I dance on your fly. Cause I know what you don't, it is me you adore. How does it feel to breathe when you're dead? They never seen you out of your bed. Cut to the bone, it's broken, I bet. How sad. Oh boy, got so hot I forgot what I should have thought of before.